Welcome to the Sports Science Institute at Duke University. This is our sports concussion examination. This same examination, though, could be used if your patient has a concussion from another cause. This is the exam that we use when we see athletes in the clinic, but parts of this could also be used at the field. We start it with the SCAT-3, and the symptom checklist is most important. We frequently have the athlete fill out the symptom checklist, both noting their symptoms at the time of their concussion and at present before they see us in the clinic, so we can review it as soon as they sit down. I find it helpful not only to say, how are you feeling now, but over the last few days, what was your maximum score on some of the symptoms? Because they may vary. 3 hours ago, they may have had a bad headache, and when they're seeing you in clinic, they may feel a lot better. So it's important to get a clear idea how their symptoms have been over the last few days. Then you're going to move into the SAC testing for cognitive testing. It's important to try to not go too fast. So when you're doing the memory testing and the number reversal testing, give the athlete about 1 item per second. When you're doing memory testing, you're just having the athlete repeat the items for you. Don't tell them that you're going to ask them later to remember the items. We start the SCAT-3 with a standardized assessment of concussion. Leslie, what month is it?
April.
And what is the date today?
The 22nd.
And what is the day of the week?
Friday.
What year is it?
2016.
About what time is it?
About 12:30 almost.
Okay. Now I'm going to test your memory. I want you to say these words back to me in whatever order you want. Elbow, apple, carpet, saddle, bubble.
Elbow, apple, saddle, carpet.
Let's try again. Elbow, apple, carpet, saddle, bubble.
Elbow, apple, carpet, saddle, bubble.
One more time. Elbow, apple, carpet, saddle, bubble.
Elbow, apple, carpet, saddle, bubble.
So that would be a total memory score of 14 because she missed one of them. Okay, now I'm going to read a list of numbers for you forward, and I would like you to repeat them backwards. So if I give you 719, you would go 917. If you make a mistake, we might try that one again. Here's the first list. 493.
394.
3814.
4183.
62971.
1726.
Okay, let's try that level again. 15286.
68521.
Okay, so if the athlete misses 2 at that level, that's where you stop. So she would have scored 2 out of 4 on that. Now what I'd like you to do is to repeat the months of the year backwards, starting with December.
December, November, October, September, August, July, June, May, April, March, February, January.
Great, so she'd score 1 for that. Normally, at this point of the SCAT-3, I would do the neck examination and the balance examination on the floor, but we're going to demonstrate those for you later, so we're going to skip ahead. The next to the last part of the SCAT-3 is the coordination exam. Basically, it's a finger-to-nose test where the athlete uses each arm 5 times, touching your finger and then their nose. Leslie, what I want you to do is just touch my finger and touch your nose, back and forth. You want to see them extend their arm. That's good. Try the other arm. Very good. So you'd score that as a 1. Now, Leslie, let's just see if you can remember the 5 objects that I had you repeat 3 times.
Elbow, apple, bubble, carpet, saddle.
Very good. So she got 5 of 5. Many athletes might not get that many, and you jot down how many they got.